How to upgrade Spotify Premium on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can actually upgrade Spotify Premium on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have the Spotify app installed, you've decided on getting the premium version, but for some reason you go to the premium tab on your iPhone's app, you can see the Spotify free and you can see the upgrade button, but you cannot just upgrade it from the application. That is because Spotify app on iPhone does not support in-app payment details, so that is why you're not actually being able to upgrade to premium. So do not worry. Instead, what we have to do is, instead of logging in from our app, we have to simply open up a Safari browser or any of the primary browsers that you use. Go to spotify.com and then log in to your free account. I'll also have a link down in the description box below as well. So once you log into your Spotify account from your browser, over here you can see I have a premium individual, which is a free account, right? So if I want to upgrade to premium, I just need to tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side, go to the option called account, and once I go to account, I just need to scroll down over here, and then here you'll find a button that says join premium. So just tap on the join premium button. Once you tap on join premium, you have different types of plans that are available. One is the premium individual plan, one is a premium duo plan. Depending upon the price tag and the features that you want, you might want to select this based on your own preferences. Now these are all personal opinions, so just because I choose the family one doesn't mean you have to do that. If you're an individual person, you can go with the individual plan. Now depending upon the type of plan you want, just tap on the get started button. You'll most likely have two options to add a payment method. One is either your PayPal or the other is your credit or debit card. So you can tap on PayPal if you do have PayPal, but I'm assuming that most of you are going to go with the credit or debit card option. So in case, you can just select the credit or debit card. Just make sure to enter your card details correctly, and then after that, make sure to enter your expiration date as well as expiration year, as well as a security code, also referred to as a CVV code, which is normally going to be either at the front side or the back side of your card. Also make sure to actually agree to all the terms and conditions. Tap on the buy now button, and then you have successfully bought premium. Now the many questions that I see from people telling me is that even after they buy premium from the browser, when they log into the app, they don't find the account in premium. For that, what I'd recommend you do is just tap the gear icon from the top right first, scroll down to the bottom, tap on the logout button, and then reload in Spotify app, log in back again, and the premium will be successfully activated. So hope this video helps you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.